Hey, what's up everyone? It's Eric here from Guy and Kicks, bringing you another video. And real quick before I start, I just want to say thank you to some of those new subscribers I've gotten. Every time I see that little number go up a little bit, I get very excited. So I just want to say thank you so much for subscribing and watching my videos. I appreciate that. So today's video is on another Yeezy. Anytime I get to review a pair of Yeezys, I get excited. The Yeezy 350 is one of my favorite Yeezy silhouettes. It kind of feels like the Yeezy 350 is perhaps getting a little bit oversaturated, but every time we think they're getting a little bit boring, here comes Adidas and Kanye and deliver a dope colorway. So without further ado, today's video is on the Yeezy 350 V2 in the Israfil colorway. Alright guys, so the Israfil released on August 22nd, 2020 for a retail price of $220. This is a typical Yeezy 350 V2, so there's not a whole lot to talk about here, but let's get into the materials real quick. So as usual, you'll find a prime knit upper. Starting with the inside of the shoe, you'll find the Adidas Yeezy branding. On the heel of the 350, you'll find those 3M3 stripes. On the upper, the colors are mostly a gray, tan, almost like a hint of light blue as well. On the outside of the shoe, you'll find a stripe that's semi-translucent. It's sort of in this tan color. Depending on some pictures, it kind of looks like it's a hint of orange, but it's mostly a tan color when you have them in person. This stripe is semi-translucent, not enough for you to really show off your socks like some other sneakers. The prime knit weaving on these 350s is a tad different, and you'll mostly notice the difference in the inner part of the shoe, where you have more of a solid color here on this side of the shoe. It almost looks like a sort of an Ultra Boost 3-stripe caging. These Israfil do not have a heel tab, as you can see. One of the obvious differences on this colorway is the lacing system. It is a pull lacing system, not your traditional laces that you find on most sneakers or any other 350. This is the first 350 V2 to have this lacing system. However, the shoes do come with the regular 350 V2 laces. The only thing about this lacing system is that if you want to go back to the traditional look, you do have to cut these laces, and once you cut them, I mean, that's pretty much it. I mean, I guess you can find a way to tie them together or something like that if you want to get creative, but once you cut them, then that's it. But I do think that it was a great idea for them to include the other pair of laces in case you don't really like this style and you just want to go with the traditional style. Me personally, I kind of like the older lacing system better, but at least, you know, you have the option to rock which one you like. And then with the outsole is a semi-translucent outsole, full length boost. This colorway does come in full family sizes as well. When it comes to sizing, I would go true to size or even a half size up. So real quick, just my opinion on these. I think this is a dope colorway. 2020, I would say the Zions are probably my favorite color so far. And then I would place these at number 2. And as a Yeezy 350, you just can't go wrong with this shoe. I mean, it's just a classic shoe. Looks great, it's comfortable. If you guys are interested in buying a pair of these, I would think probably right now is the best time to do it. I mean, resale is probably maybe going for like, this is a size 10, so obviously depending on your size, this one's going for about $260 last time I checked on StockX. It's probably a good time to buy them now. You know, most 350s over time, 3-4 months after release, they tend to start increasing. So I would probably try to get a pair now before you end up paying $300 or even more. All right guys, so let me show you how they look on feet. Alright guys, so I hope this video was able to bring a detailed look of the Yeezy 350 V2 Israfil. Man, that Israfil name is pretty hard to say. But yeah guys, like always, please feel free to subscribe. Please hit the notification button so you don't miss any of my videos. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram at GuyandKicks. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.